मैं जनाब तौसीफ़ आलम ख़ान साहब से गुजारिश करूँगा कि वो डैश पे माइक पे तशरीफ़ लाएँ और लखनऊ ग्लोबल कनेक्शंस के बारे में उसके अगराज़ व मक़ासिद पे रोशनी डालें। जनाब तौसीफ़ आलम ख़ान साहब।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। चेयरमैन साहब, सदर मुशायरा, ख़वातीन व हज़रात, अलीग ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Standing here, I feel honored that and thank Bajad Bhai and Shahid Bhai for asking me to say a few words about Lucknow Global Connections. Let me tell you, the seeds of Lucknow Global Connections were sown thousands of miles away in Jubail, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, by some passionate Aligs who have earned their names and fame in respective fields, which included both aforementioned Shakhsiyat, Bajaj Sahab and Shahid Hashmi Sahab, and besides Dr. Nafis Tareen, Dr. Suhail Azmi, Rizwan Sahab and others. They had a feeling of indebtedness to their alma mater, owing their success to Taaleem and Tarbiyat received at AMU. They thought it was about time to carry forward the mission of Masiha of Education, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Also in back of their minds was the pain of seeing their community lagging behind even Dalit brethren on all socio-economic fronts, including education. Dr. Bajaj Saab, who retired as the advisor Naval Forces in Saudi Arabia, brought the idea to Lucknow and made it his mission with wholehearted support from the Jubail group. Led by him, a group of academicians, bureaucrats, technocrats, doctors, entrepreneurs, social scientists, and philanthropists came together and founded an organization named LGC Foundation. The LGC think tank has also taken a conscious decision to broad-base it by including non-Alig well-wishers who have distinguished themselves in various sectors, especially in education, philanthropic, and social development sectors. After several rounds of discussion and strategic sessions, to start with, Foundation has decided to focus on following major areas of work in education. The first, to promote education in the disadvantaged and marginalized section of society with equal focus on girls' education. The importance of girls' education you can gauge from the fact, I am quoting one of the philosophers who said, if you educate a man, you educate an individual, but if you educate a woman, you educate the entire nation. It is said that education of women leads to empowerment of society or communities. While promoting the education, financial assistance will be offered to deserving candidates. After analyzing each case in depth on certain parameters, LGC would, however, focus on pre-primary and middle classes to assist them. Motivational lectures and counseling sessions to be arranged in schools and colleges with focus on students who have entered the secondary stage of schooling from the middle level, 6th to 8th standard. Career-oriented guidance will be provided to class 10 plus 2 pass candidates. If required, LGC would facilitate in coaching of deserving students for competitive examinations and tests. Coaching and other assistance will be arranged for meritorious candidates selected through rigorous process on the pattern of Anand 30 and Rahmani 30. To implement the idea of opening pre-nursery schools in Lucknow and minority considered district in the state capitals, and later on the LGC would also like to open some education, institutions of higher learning. Since LGC believes in vision and mission of Baba-e-Qaum, it will make an endeavor to promote social harmony and brotherhood among different sections of the society. I would sum up with Sir Sayyid's famous quote, "We Hindus and Muslims eat the same crop, drink water from the same river, and breathe the same air. As a matter of fact, Hindus and Muslims are the two eyes of the beautiful bride that is Hindustan. Weakness of any one of them will spoil the beauty of the bride, Dulan." Let me tell you, this event has become possible due to coming together of LGC Foundation and IMWA, run by dear brother, our Karam Farma, Sayyid Atiqur Rahman Saab, affectionately called Moon Bhai in Lucknow. Now I would request Aisha to say a few words about IMWA and let the audience know about its activities and achievement. Thank you. Jazakallah khair.